Hey everybody, Lombardi25 here. Back with another box of EEE. Just got some. So I'm gonna rip this open. Watching some football today. Patriots won last night, so hoping the Chargers do the same against the Broncos, so they can have to come here. And good day of football ahead. So yeah, I was in the movie buy a box before the game started. All right. First box actually had one bonus, or two bonus hits, the USA jersey and a USA auto. I realized that when I was counting afterwards, that I had pretty much 8 hits. So that was pretty cool. But not any big names or any color or anything, so. First, auto. Kevin Franklin. I got this guy, I had the Reds in a break, and I got this guy, but not the, this is a die cut, I think. Right? 86 out of 100, yeah. Nice. That's cool. Good start. So yeah, that other box wasn't quite a hot box, but it did have a few extra hits. USA stuff. Jonathan Gray insert. Elite Series. Have some autos of his from Bowman Sterling. Second auto, maybe, looks like. Ooh, green ink. Number to 10. Wow. That's fucking nice. Akeem Bostic. I don't know much about him. Well, I haven't heard really of him, but that's cool. Nice. Glad I had that feeling to go out and get these today. That's on the card. Was the first one on card? Yeah, the Franklin was on card too, so. Very nice. Good start. 3 packs, 2 autos, and a ton to go. Here's the third one. Ryder Jones. On card, numbered to 580. This might be a hot box. It's a pretty nice one out of San Fran. Cool. Oops. This either has a dummy card or a jersey in it. Looks like a dummy. And same with this one. And 2 base packs with dummies. Next auto, another green. Out of 769, but it's short printed. So I think greens are still short printed at the 10 of the whole series. So there's only 10 greens in the 769, if I understand it right. Because yesterday I got or in the last box I had a red, and that was high numbered, but it was, I think they're out of 25 out of that group. I'm probably not making any sense. So. Ian Clarkin, scouting, insert. So how many autos is that? Sorry, I'm taking 1, 2, whatever. Just wanted to see where we stood. I think it's like 4. Here's another one. Franchise Futures sticker auto of Garrett Smith, numbered out of 801. And then a historic picks Craig Biggio from Houston. So I'm going to guess it is a hot box, but we'll see. Because I think we're already at like 5 autos. Historic picks, thought it might be auto. Chipper Jones, and then Manuel Perez USA jersey. Get those just about once a box. Next auto. Orange. Oh no, it's a wow. Number to 10, not autoed, but it's a number to 10. Tyler Garrison for the Mets or Yankees? Looks like a Yankees uniform. I don't know. That doesn't mean anything. Yeah, he was a 7th round draft pick. Still very nice. This is probably the, I think of all the boxes I've ever bought of Elite Extra Edition, it's probably the best. A lot of nice stuff coming out of this. Base. Scouting, Mark Apio? I don't know. Whoa. Ding. I think I was shorted a base card in that pack. Isn't it 4? Yeah, I mean 5? Yeah, and that's 4. Interesting. Auto. Franchise Futures, Brad Goldberg. Numbered to 672 sticker. 5 packs left. I lost count, like I said, but pretty sure we're up towards 7 autos now, maybe. Bloodlines, Lee May and Jacob May. And then an Elite Series insert of Chris Bryant. Nice. Too bad I wasn't auto. Got another insert of his last time, and I thought I was hoping it was auto. No dice. Elite Series, Colin Moran. And first a die cut of Jonathan Crawford, number 200, and it looks like a redemption of Franchise Future Signatures of Daniel Palka. So, alright. My redemption stack is piling up. I have to start redeeming some of those things. Base and last pack. And dummy card and base. So pretty nice box. Love this year's stuff, and thanks for watching. Go Chargers. Hope you have a good Sunday.